In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Microsoft Excel with an easy integration process that takes just about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for those of you looking to streamline your data management between these two powerful tools. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the HubSpot URL. Once you have the homepage open, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Simply locate and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to sign up, but for today, I'm assuming you have your credentials handy and can log in without any issues. Now, once you're logged in, you'd be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard. Here, take a moment to get your bearings if you're not familiar with the layout. Your next move is to find the marketplace icon. You'll see this icon in your dashboard, so go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to HubSpot's marketplace section, where various integrations and tools are available for you to enhance your business operations. With the marketplace open, your job is to head over to the apps section. This is where you can browse and search for different applications that can integrate with HubSpot. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Excel and hit enter. This should pull up a list of results related to Excel integrations. Browse through these results a bit until you find the Excel integration option specifically. Once you have located the Excel integration option, click on it. This will lead you to the app's details page where you can get more information about what this integration entails. The final stage of this process is installation. On the Excel integration page, you'll notice an Install App button, which is pretty self-explanatory. By clicking on it, you're authorizing HubSpot to integrate seamlessly with your Microsoft Excel account. This connection will allow you to transfer and manage your data, making your workflow more efficient. Just make sure you follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the installation process successfully. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you've just connected HubSpot to Microsoft Excel, ready to empower your business with better data handling capabilities. Remember that this process only takes a few minutes, but it can significantly enhance your productivity and data management strategies. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on the integration process. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.